Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So on the ETH chart, we've got our breakout point triggered. The price broke above the $1,700 resistance level, which definitely puts the odds into the favor of the wide wave count. I gave you bullish support in the previous videos. That was at 1630. We highlighted that against 1630, the price can push higher. Support has now been lifted to 1660, which means this is now the relevant bullish support against which the price should push higher. A break below 1660, or let's call it 1659, will indicate that this structure is already breaking down. Now, we've got the price move obviously in the direction of the $1,900 target, sort of for the wide wave count now. And two possibilities now. I need to actually, one second. I need to, something's missing here. Something's off. Yeah, so it's possible in the yellow wave count that this is still wave B, okay? And that we start a wave C to the downside just with a bit of a delay. But that's nothing new. We've been talking about that, okay? So that these 5 waves up, that could just be within the B wave, a smaller ABC structure. Let me show you. So A, B, C. This is basically within the yellow wave count, the sub-wave structure. And then here, these 5 waves up, that would just be the C wave. In a more bullish interpretation, this here would be a wave 1. Wave 1, and then let's move it white. And after the 5 waves, if we see a wave 2 pullback in an ABC structure, then this is bullish. So what does that mean? That means that 5 waves up alone are not necessarily bullish. Short term they are, and I made you therefore aware about of the bullish support at 1630. Now again, that has now been lifted with the breakout. And this breakout point here was clearly defined, which has made the more imminent sell-off not only far less likely, but basically invalidated the more direct yellow sell-off structure, okay? So now it seems reasonable to expect the price push higher in wave C of B, or this is a wave 1 already and a lasting low has been established here when the price touched the 1530 support level. So for more dependable and reliable long trades, I think it is reasonable to wait for 5 waves up, 3 waves down. The ideal target is sort of around 1900, maybe a little higher for this 5 wave move. Again, it can always extend higher, right? Can always extend higher. If anybody would like to trade this on the long side, I gave you a bullish support already days ago, which was 1630. So looking at a pullback afterwards, when we get an ABC correction, there will be a bullish support. And if we get into this region, which I cannot define yet, I can only do that after 5 waves up. If the price comes back, then see a small bullish reaction to it, then this is a reasonable long and very reliable long trade setup into the $3,000 to $4,000 region. Until then, this could just break down again, right? So that's very important. That's why this could just be a high B wave, okay? Now, I'm sure everybody would be happy for the price finally to get to new all-time highs and, really into that third wave rally that we're tracking. But it's too early to confirm that. We need the 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Yeah, what else is there to highlight? I don't think there is much to highlight. Price broke now above the end of August high as well. And yeah, is approaching here in 5 waves potentially. A high B wave or a wave 1. What is resistance? So we can also add Fibonacci resistance, which would be for this high B wave, or for this B wave, resistance is this, okay? Between 1803 and 1932. So this would be clearly resistance for wave B. Let's see, we should see some reaction to these Fib levels. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if we now form 5 waves. I think that needs to be the approach. Against 1660, the focus can be on higher. If we now see a break below 1660 or call it 1659, then it's likely breaking down and it was just some kind of a messy corrective structure again. So again, 1659 is a level to watch. I will take out the 1700 resistance level. We don't need that anymore. And then I'm looking forward to the next deeper pullback. But yeah, exactly because of something like that, I've been highlighting for the last few days and weeks that, just have a plan and be happy with the position that you have in case this just takes off above the breakout point. And yeah, seems like this weekend was a bit of a bullish one, including Solana and some other coins which seem to be taking off now. So sentiment seems to be shifting slowly. So we'll see. Keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.